Period and pause. Teach yourself to use period and pause every time you encounter a full stop. Practice 5 times saying period and pause out loud, and then 5 times saying it in your head. This will help you slow your rate of speech and emphasize on words and meaning. Here's an example. People upload 95 million photos on Instagram every day, period, pause. However, only 30% of Instagram photos are seen, period, pause. 4 out of 7 billion humans are online, of which close to 50% are Facebook users, period, and pause. These facts are amazing, period, pause. After practicing this a few times, your brain will get used to it. Now I'll say it again, leaving the space at the end of the sentence without saying period and pause. People upload 95 million photos on Instagram every day. However, only 30% of Instagram photos are seen. 4 out of 7 billion humans are online, of which close to 50% are Facebook users. These facts are amazing. Over time, your mind will learn to pause. Now it's your turn to practice again. Remember to practice breathing and the exercise out loud and say period and pause. Do that a few times and then go back and say it silently in your head. And now record your voice